Hey everyone, I'm excited to be doing a little unboxing video of some filters from Haida. So let's get into it. So this is going to be some magnetic filters, which I really like to use from Haida. So let's see what we got in the box. Nicely tightly packed. And you see here we got the NanoPro magnetic filter kit. So yeah, let's get stuck in and see what's inside. So here we are with our kit, and really nice box here. 77mm is what I ordered, which covers me on a 20mm lens from Nikon and a 70 to 200 from Nikon. Also covers me on a 24 to 120mm also. So anyway, on with the lenses, with the filters. So we've got an ND 0.9, an ND 1.8, and an ND 3.0. So a really nice range of filters to give me many options. It's enough to cover my photography use, from short exposures, even handheld with this one, half a second, maybe even up to a second on my 20mm lens. 1.8 will be really nice to use, and the 3 as well for some really nice long exposures. I'm thinking to try this eventually with a nice lunar long exposure, maybe even a 30-minute exposure of the moonrise or moonset. Okay, so what else we got in the box? You got user manual here. Nice touch with a soft cloth for cleaning. I like that. And we have also a magnetic lens cap. Very useful for quick, removal and assembly. Nice touch too. Okay, so onto the Haida case. We got some useful clips on the side, so this can be nicely attached to my tripod, so it can just hang from my tripod. And when we look inside, we have a nice holder here with 3 filters nicely wrapped inside here. I like it because it's small. It's going to fit easy inside my camera box, my camera bag, and yeah, and like I said, with a clip for the attachment to the tripod. So yeah. Okay, so inside the black case, we got this really useful exposure time chart. So it's yeah, a quick at a glance chart for figuring out your shutter exposure time. So that's really useful. Then each of the 3 filters, nicely packaged, simple. Yeah, just quick and ready to use, really. So here we have it then, filters out the bag. And we have this one here, the 1.8. So I'll hold it up to the light. You can see there. Then we have the big one, if my phone will focus, the ND 3.0. Look at how nice and dark that is for some really nice long exposures. Yeah, I'm gonna love using that for all kinds of stuff. But for sunset, for example, a good 2 or 3 minute exposure around f8 or something, gonna be really nice. And then this one here, the weakest one, it's gonna be nice for some, like I say, maybe some handheld stuff, or even half a second, 1 second on water or something like that. So that's it. Okay, now onto the attachment then. So I bought separately a magnetic adapter ring. So this one, you just simply, this is a screw-on device. So if the phone can focus, this will screw onto the front of my lens, and then the filter just clips on nicely. That's it. You see, I didn't even have to, I just held it near it. It's clipped on really nice and secure. And that's what I love about these magnetic filters, that they're so quick, easy, stable, and reliable. Give you the confidence that they're not going to fall off like some screw-ons, maybe a little bit tricky to attach at first, or the square filters sliding in to a holder filter, big and bulky. But these are small, and they're really quick and easy to use. Okay, so as you can see here, I've got a 20mm lens attached to my camera. The magnetic adapter ring is fitted. So then just take any filter I like, place it close to the magnetic ring, and that's it. Simple as that. It's on, nice and easy, secure. It's not going to fall off, not going anywhere. So the last thing I want to show you, which is a really neat thing with these Haida magnetic filters, we got one filter on here, so you can stack filters to give yourself an even longer exposure time. And just as easy as the first one is to go onto the adapter ring, the second one goes on as well. Just double check that it's straight and flush to the first filter, so you don't get any light entering into, unwanted light entering in from the sides, which is going to ruin your shot. And that's it. Easy peasy. But it's yeah, now time to go out and play.